Hello and welcome to Elif's kitchen. You can prepare it very easily, and you won't get enough of its taste and flavor. I want to share the recipe for Babaganoush, one of the famous delicacies of Antakya. To be informed about my new recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by pressing the bell icon. I washed and placed 1 kilo of eggplant in a baking tray. I made a few holes in it with a knife. I also washed 1 kilo of red bell peppers and placed them on the tray. A total of half a kilo of pointed hot peppers and village peppers. I washed them again. I placed them on the tray. I also washed and placed 1 kilo of tomatoes on the tray. I'm roasting them in a 250-degree oven. Look, I'm turning them over and putting them back in the oven to roast the other sides as well. Since the pointed peppers and village peppers were roasted earlier, I put them in a bowl. I roasted the eggplants, red peppers, and tomatoes a little more. Then I collected them in a bowl by covering it for approximately 20 minutes. I let them sit like this for easy peeling. Then, on the cutting board, look how easily the peels come off like this. I'm peeling them. I'm also cleaning the inner seeds, trying to clean them as much as possible. After this stage, I definitely don't wash them. If you wash them, all the flavor will be gone. The smoky smell and everything will disappear. I'm peeling the eggplants in the same way. I'm also peeling the village peppers skins. I peel them until they are peeled. It's okay if some parts remain unpeeled, it's not important. I'm cleaning the inner seeds. Pointed peppers are too thin to be peeled. It's not important. Just cleaning the inner seeds is enough. I'm peeling the tomatoes in the same way. I've peeled and prepared all the vegetables. Now I'm going to proceed with chopping. I will finely chop all my vegetables like this on the cutting board. I'm trying to chop them as finely as possible. They are very finely chopped. I'm putting them into a mixing bowl. I'm chopping my red peppers in the same way. Yes, the red peppers are also ready. I'm adding them on top of the eggplant. Then I'm chopping the pointed and village peppers, again very finely. If you like spicy, don't forget to add hot peppers. The spicier it is, the more delicious it will be. But of course, if you can't eat spicy, it can also be made with sweet peppers. My green peppers are also ready. I'm adding them on top. I'm going to chop the tomatoes. I will also chop them very finely. I'm adding it on top. I'm adding about 3 to 4 cloves of grated garlic on top. I'm adding olive oil, about 1 or 2 fingers less than a teacup. It would be much better if you use genuine olive oil. I'm adding enough pomegranate molasses. Actually, you can adjust the amount of pomegranate molasses according to your taste. I added about 2 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses. You can taste and adjust its consistency. Then I'm adding enough salt. I'm mixing it well. I transferred my babaganoush to a serving plate. I garnished it with parsley and red pepper. It's now ready to serve. I recommend you try it too. Thank you for watching my video.